Welcome, students. We are discussing the chapter Thief's Story by Ruskin Bond. In the previous part, we have seen that the major characters of the present chapter are Anil and Hari. We saw the conversation that took place between Anil and Hari. We have also seen what was the activity of Anil and what was the activity of Hari. In the previous part, we have seen that Anil was trying to educate Hari and Hari was trying to make profit per day. Now here we see how Anil was getting money, how he was managing the money. So Anil made money by fits and starts. Means he was not working on something consistently. So anyhow he was earning money. We all know that Anil was a writer and he was earning anyhow. He would borrow 1 week and lend the next. Okay, that was the way how he was managing the money. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. It seems he wrote for magazines a queer means strange way to make a living. So by writing for magazines, he was earning money. This is the one source of his earning. One evening, he came home with a small bundle of notes, saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. At night, I saw him tuck, push, or fold the money under the mattress. So, in this paragraph, we have seen how Anil was earning money by writing for the magazine. This is the one source of earning money. But he did not work consistently. Anyhow, he was earning. His source of earning is not fixed. Okay, so he always waited for the check. Sometimes he sold his book, then he got the money. Okay, this is the way how he was earning money. So in this paragraph especially, it was focused how Anil was earning money, or what was the source of earning of Anil. This we have seen. Now we move to next one. One thing also remember, when Anil sold book, he got some bundle of notes and he put bundle of notes under the mattress, and it was seen by the narrator or Haris. Now see what happened. I had been working for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, had not done anything in my line of work. Meaning is this: for 1 month he had been working for Anil, and at the same time he had been cheating Anil for almost a month on the shopping, but nothing had been done. His profession was to cheat, so he did not get a lot of money. For almost a month he remained with Anil, but he did not get money, required amount of money, what he desired. I had every opportunity for doing so. He said that, and narrator said, he had opportunity to cheat Anil. He had opportunity to steal the things of Anil. Anil had given me a key to the door. So Anil trusted Hari Singh. So he had given him a key to the door, and I could come and go as I pleased. So meaning is clear that Anil trusted Hari Singh. He had given him the money, and Hari Singh was free to enter the house and leave the house according to his will. In other words, we can say Hari Singh can steal all the things of Anil easily. He was the most trusting person I had ever met, and that is why it was so difficult to rob him. Anil was the most trusting person. Anil trusted easily the narrator, and according to the narrator, it was very difficult to rob a person who is a trusting person. It is easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed, but it is difficult to rob a careless man. So according to the narrator, Anil was a careless person. He trusted anyone easily. Due to this nature, Anil trusted Hari. He had given him a key, and Hari was free to enter the house, leave the house according to his will. Anil, this is the nature of Anil. A narrator said one thing: it is very difficult for him to rob Anil because he was a trusting person. He said it is easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed, but it is very difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he has been robbed. Anil was a careless person because he never noticed that he had been robbed by the narrator, and that takes all the pleasure out of the work. Meaning is this: if a person takes care of his things, then the thief gets pleasure in cheating him. But here you see, Anil trusted Hari, he gave him key, and it is very easy for Hari to cheat him easily, to steal his things easily. Hari says that he doesn't find any interest in his work because Anil was a careless person. Well, it is time I did some real work. I told myself, I am out of practice, and if I don't take the money, he will only waste it on his friends. After all, he doesn't even pay me. So here, especially in this paragraph, we have seen that Hari Singh always cheated Anil, and Anil trusted Hari. He had given him key to the door, and Hari was free to enter and leave the house according to his pleasure. He believed that Anil was a trusting person. Narrator thought that it was very difficult to rob a person who is a careless. He said that it is easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed, but it is very difficult to rob a careless man. and Anil was a careless man. Further, the narrator says that he did not find interest in his work because it is very easy for him to cheat Anil. He says that if he did not do his work, real work, then he will be out of practice. He says that if he doesn't take the money, then he will waste the whole money on his friends, and even Anil was not paying him. So finally, Hari decided to steal the money which Anil had got after selling his book. Now we move towards next paragraph. Remember, narrator had decided to steal the money of Anil. Anil was asleep. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. Meaning is this: a ray of moonlight fell on the bed, fell on the balcony. I sat up on the floor, considering the situation. He understood the situation. What is the situation? That Anil was sleeping and a ray of moonlight was on the bed. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. Slipping out of the blanket, moving towards the blanket, I crept up to the bed. So he slowly moved up to the bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. His face was clear and unlined, means there was no sign of anxiety on the face of Anil. Even I had more marks on my face. His face was clear, but my face was not clear. There were several marks on my face, though mine were mostly scars. My hand slid under the mattress, searching for the notes. When I found them, I drew them out without a sound. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. I was startled. I was surprised and quickly crawled out of the room. So here, in this paragraph, Anil was cheated by Hari, or we can say the narrator had stolen the notes which was brought by Anil after selling the book, and the notes were taken by Hari Singh. So here in this paragraph, narrator says that what is the situation when he was stealing the money. Anil was sleeping peacefully. There was no sign of anxiety on the face of Anil. And finally he put his hands under the mattress. He moved towards the mattress, and finally he took the money and decided to leave the house and went to the railway station and catch the train at 10:30. That was the plan of the narrative. So finally in this paragraph we have seen that money had been stolen by the narrator. Narrator had decided to leave the room, reached to the station at 10:30 and finally caught express to Lucknow. And further he told us how he took the money, okay, what steps he had taken, how he searched the money under the mattress. Finally he got it and took the money, and finally he crawlड आउट ऑफ द रूम, मीन्स ही लेफ्ट द रूम। तो इस पैराग्राफ में देखते हैं कि अनिल सोया हुआ है और मून लाइट जो है कमरे में पड़ रही है, और नरेटर डिसाइड करता है कि वो चोरी करके 10:30 पे लखनऊ ये स्टेशन पहुंचेगा, वहाँ से लखनऊ एक्सप्रेस पकड़ लेगा। ये प्लानिंग है नरेटर की। और नरेटर के पास नरेटर जब जाता है अनिल के पास चोरी करने के लिए, उसके चेहरे को वो देखता है। उसके चेहरे पे किसी प्रकार कोई एंजाइटी नहीं दिख रही होती, कोई भी मार्क्स नहीं है, लेकिन उसके चेहरे पूरे मार्क्स ही हैं, स्कार्स हैं, चिन्ह पड़े हुए हैं। फाइनली जो है नरेटर सर्च करता है पैसा मैट्रेस के अंदर, फाइनली वो पा जाता है और ले करके वो तुरंत ही जो है पुलिस को छोड़ देता है। So simply what happened here in this paragraph, we had noticed that finally the money had been stolen. Now see, my hand slid under the mattress searching for the notes. Now he was searching the notes. When I found them, I drew them out without a sound. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned his side towards me. I was startled and quickly crawled out of the room. So finally he left the room. When I was on the road, I began to run. I had the notes at my waist, held there by the string of my pajama. I slowed down to a walk and counted the notes, 600 rupees in 50s. I could live like an oil-rich Arab for a week or two. So what happened? The money had been stolen by the narrator. Narrator left the room. While he was on the road, he started running, and he put the notes at his waist. It was held by the string of his pajama. Now he slowed down and counted the money, counted the notes, and he found that there are 600 notes in 50s, and he was very happy because he will leave the coming weeks comfortably. Okay, he will leave the coming weeks comfortably. यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं वो घर छोड़ के चला जाता है, और जाते जाते वो नोट गिनता है और पाता है कि 600 रुपये हैं 50s में। और बहुत खुश होता है कि अब अगले 1 या 2 वीक जो है बहुत ही आसानी से वो अपना व्यतीत करेगा। When I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office. I had never bought a ticket in my life. That was the tendency of the narrator. He travelled without ticket, but dashed straight to the platform. Directly he went to the platform. He didn't stop near the ticket office. He directly went to the platform. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. The train had still to pick up speed. I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages, but I hesitated. For some reason I can't explain, and I lost the chance to get away. Now, according to the plan, narrator reached station after stealing the money, that is 600 rupees. He was very happy. He was going to spend his coming week. He was going to spend his coming week comfortably. He was very happy. The Lucknow Express was about to leave. The train was moving slowly. Narrator had a chance to jump into the one of the carriages, but there was something that stopped him. He hesitated, but he could not understand what was the reason that stopped him doing so. Means catching the train and leaving the place, that was the tendency of the narrator, but he could not do so. He was hesitating in doing so. So what was the reason? What stopped the narrator to leave the train? He had lost the chance to get away, but why did he do so? Narrator could not understand. इस पैराग्राफ में हम देखते हैं कि सिंपली नरेटर चोरी करके स्टेशन पहुंचता है। लखनऊ एक्सप्रेस जा रही होती है, वो उसे पकड़ने जाता है, लेकिन कुछ क्या रीज़न है, थोड़ा उसके अंदर हेजिटेशन है, जिसके कारण वो जो है उस ट्रेन को पकड़ नहीं पाता है, ट्रेन छूट जाती है और साथ ही वो एक अपना चांस खो देता है इस स्थान को परमानेंटली छोड़ने में। तो कौन सी चीज़ जो उसको रोकती है, इस चीज़ को नरेटर समझ नहीं पा रहा है। So here we have seen only that narrator was about to leave the place, but he can't do so. What was the reason? Why he was hesitating? That was the question before the narrator. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. Deserted platform means there was no one on the platform. He was alone there. Train had left. He was standing alone on the platform. I had no idea where to spend the night. After all, he had lost the train. He did not understand where to spend the night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help. This is the opinion of the narrator. Friends were more trouble than help. And I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the station. He did not want to make anyone understand that narrator had done stealing. Narrator had stolen the money of Anil. He did not make anyone to suspect him. The only person I knew really well was the man I had robbed. So here you see, narrator was talking to himself. He was thinking that he knew only one person whom I had robbed. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. So finally he left the station and he had decided to move towards Anil's house again. So here in this paragraph we have seen that narrator was upset, narrator was not feeling well. He was hesitating. He did not understand why he had left the train, and now he was standing alone on the platform. There was no one. He did not want to go to the hotel because he will create a situation that made him into trouble, or people started suspecting him. So he did not allow anyone to suspect him. So he decided to move towards Anil's house. So now he started moving towards Anil's house. So इस पैराग्राफ में देखते हैं कि ट्रेन चली जा रही है, चली गई, और ये इस प्लेटफॉर्म बिल्कुल अकेला है, अब ये समझ नहीं पा रहा है कि कहाँ जाए। अगर वो किसी दोस्त किसी को जानता भी नहीं है, अगर होटल में जाता है तो लोग उसे सस्पेक्ट करेंगे। तो फाइनली वो उस व्यक्ति को जानता है, अनिल को, जिसको उसने रॉब किया है। तो फाइनली जो है नरेटर डिसाइड करता है कि वो अनिल के ही घर जाएगा, और धीरे धीरे वो जो है बाजार से होता हुआ अनिल की तरफ जो है, अनिल के घर की तरफ जो है बढ़ने लगता है। So that is the part which we have discussed. Thank you.